Skylar, nice to meet you.
What do you do in a typical day?
Typical day is I look at all the manufacturing equipment that we have and the people that are here, making sure that they're working safely. They go home with all the fingers and toes they came here with, and then make sure that we're running the machines properly, making the parts that our customer wants.
Why did you choose to go into this career path?
I guess I didn't really understand what I was getting into when I started. I was right out of college. I had a management and marketing degree, and I wanted to get into industrial sales rather than retail and deal with I guess more business to business sales. Okay. So here I am, and this is where I stay.
That'll make the fitting. This is the oil in here. Yep. So again, it's for keeping the tools, in this case it's a grinding wheel, it's keeping the wheel cool while it's cutting the material. Very sharp, so don't touch it, but this is what the machine's making right now. And basically it's a tool that we're going to use to create a thread in a part, much like we saw upstairs.
What is your company's goal?
We have a mission statement that is all about our customers. It's all about making sure that we are striving to keep our employees safe. We are striving to satisfy our customers, exceed their expectations, to do so in the most cost-effective, efficient manner that we can.